Hello everyone, welcome to Premier Math. Today we are going to discuss some important math problems on average based on previous year SSC questions. We'll be solving these questions using speed matrix. So let's start our session. Our first question is, a travel agency has three types of vehicles. That is 4-seater auto rickshaw, 10-seater maxi cab, 20-seater minibus. The rate of each passenger irrespective of its age, weight or seniority for the auto rickshaw is rupees 12 and for maxi cab is rupees 15. For the minibus is rupees 8 for one round. The average occupancy of the seats is 100%, 80% and 75% respectively. If he has only one vehicle of each kind, then the average earning for one round of each vehicle is. Here, a travel agency has 4-seater auto rickshaw, 10-seater maxi cab and 20-seater minibus. Now, rate for auto rickshaw for one round is rupees 12 and rate for maxi cab for one round is rupees 15 and rate for minibus for one round is 8. Now, occupancy of seat. Here, for auto rickshaw, 100% seat is occupied. So, 100% of seats is occupied in auto rickshaw means auto rickshaw has 4 seats. So, 100% of 4 seats is equal to 4. Because if you take a number 4, the 100% of the number is 4 itself. If you take a number 10, 100% of 10 is 10 itself. So, 100% of 4 seat is 4. Now, maxi cab has 80% seat occupancy. So, 80% of maxi cab has 10 seat. 80% of 10 seat. So, if you take number 10, 100% of 10 is 10. Then 10% of 10 is 0 cancel 1. Then 80% of 10 means 10 into 8 is 80, 1 into 8 is 8. So, 80% of 10 is 8. So, here 80% of maxi cab occupied means 8 seat is occupied. Out of 10, 8 seat is occupied. Again, in minibus, 75% of the seat is occupied. So, 75% of minibus has 20 seat. 20. Here, 100% is 20. Then 50% is 10. 25% is 5. That means 75% is 10 plus 5, 15. Here you can calculate this in mind as well. No need of paper and pen. So 75% of 20 is 15. Now, occupancy of auto rickshaw, mini cab and the minibuses 4, 8 and 15. Now, if you take the earning means rate into occupancy. 12 into 4 is, for 1 person rupees 12 is the rate and occupancy is 4 seat. For 4 seat into 12. For 1 person it is 12. So 4 person it is 4 into 12, 48. Now, for 1 person it is 15. For 8 person it is 8 into 15, 120. For 1 person it is rupees 8. For 15 person it is 15 into 8, 120. Now, you can see earning is 48 and 120 and 124. Auto rickshaw and maxi cab and minibus. That means total earning. Total earning is 48 plus 120 plus 120 which is equal to 120 plus 120 240, 240 plus 48 288. Now average earning is total earning 288 and there are 3 vehicles. So divided by 3 which is equal to 3 goes 9 times in 28, remaining 1. So 18 by 3 is 6. So 96. So option A is your answer. So average earning for a vehicle is 96 because there are total 3 vehicles. The average age of all the 100 employees in an office is 29 years, where 2 by 5 of employees are ladies. And the ratio of average age of men to women is 5:7. The average age of female employees is, here total number of employees is 100 and average age of these 100 employees is 29 years. So average age of 100 employees is 29 years. Now 2 by 5 of employees are ladies. So number of women is equal to 2 by 5 of total number of employees 100. So 2 by 5 of 100 means 5 goes 20 times in 100, 20 into 2, 40. Number of women is 40 means number of men is total number of employees 100 minus number of women 40. So 100 minus 40, 60. Here number of men is 60 and number of women is 40. And average age of men to women is 5:7. That means average age of men is 5x and average age of women is 7x. Now, average age of 60 men is 5x. Average age of 40 women is 7x. Now, here we already know total age will be average age into number of employees. That is 29 into 100 is the total age here. This total age means total age of men plus total age of women. Total age of men is equal to 5x into 60. Total age of women is equal to 7x into 40. Now you don't have to do this calculation. You can simplify here. This is the number and this is the average. So don't cancel the average, but you can simplify the numbers here because numbers will cancel each other. 20 goes 5 times in 100, 20 goes 3 times in 60, 20 goes 2 times in 40. Now 29 into 5. 29 into 5 is equal to 5x into 3 plus 7x into 2. Because total age is total age of men plus total age of women. Now 29 into 5 is equal to 5x into 3, 15x, 7x into 2, 14x. So 15x plus 14x is 29x. Now 29, 29 cancel. That means x is equal to 5 here. Now our question is, what is the average age of female employees? Here average age of female employees is 7x. That means 7 into x is 5. 7 into 5 is 35. So option B is your answer. Here even if you do in the normal way, that is 29 into 100 is total age, which is equal to total age of woman plus total age of man. That is 7x into 40 plus 5x into 60. Now 2900 is equal to 7x into 40, 280x plus 5x into 60, 300x, which is equal to 2900 is equal to 580x. Now you can see 290 goes 2 times in 580. 2 goes 5 times in 10. Now x is equal to 5. Same thing. That is why I said you can cancel the number here, but don't simplify the average. You can simplify the number here because numbers cancel each other. In a particular week, the average number of people who visited the Taj Mahal is 40. If we exclude the holidays, then the average is increased by 16. Further, if we exclude also the day on which the maximum number of untold people visited Taj Mahal, then average becomes 42. The number of holidays in a week is, here let us consider number of holidays as x. And in a week, average number of people visited the Taj Mahal is 40. That means in a week there are 7 days and in 7 days average 40 people visited the Taj Mahal. Again, if we exclude the holidays means 7 minus x. There are total number of 7 days in a week and when we exclude the holidays, x, then 7 minus x is the total number of days in a week. Then average is increased by 60. That is previously without the exclusion of holidays, number of days is 7 and average is 40. Now after excluding the holidays, average is increased by 60. That means average is 40 plus 16, 56 for 7 minus x days. Now you can see left hand side difference is minus x, right hand side difference is 60. Now multiply left hand side difference minus x with right hand side bottom number, that is 56, which is equal to right hand side difference is 16, which is multiplied with left hand side top number 7. Now 7 goes 8 times in 56, 8 goes 2 times in 16. That means x is equal to 2. Ignore the negative symbol. X is equal to 2. That is number of holidays is equal to 2. Option B is your right answer. You can also do this question in different way. That is, here number of holidays is x. Then in a week, total number of people visited the Taj Mahal. Total visitors in a week is equal to average into total number of days, which is equal to 280. Now, total number of visitors in a week excluded the holidays, which is equal to 7 minus x. That is, days excluding the holidays is 7 minus x. And average is 40 plus 16 because average is increased by 16. So, 56. That is average into total number of days. Here you can see in holidays there are no people visiting the Taj Mahal. That means here total visitors in a week is equal to total visitors in a week minus holidays. That means 280 is equal to 7 minus x into 56. Now 28 goes 2 times in 56, 2 goes 5 times in 10. Now 7 minus x is 5 means x is equal to 2. So in this case also number of holidays is 2. In a combined family, average age of 4 males and 7 females is 42 and 20 years respectively. If 2 persons whose average age is 13 years have left the family and other 3 people who joined the family whose respective ages are 11, 15 and 28 years, then the average age of the new family is increased by. Initially there were 4 males and 7 females in a family, that is total 11 people. For 4 males, 42 is the average age. For 7 females, 20 is the average age. Now, 7 plus 4, 11 is the total members in this family. Now, to find the average age of this 11 people, I will take the common average here. That is, I will write this 42 as 20 plus 22. Now, you can see 20 is common here. So, I will take 20 plus remaining is 22. This 22 is for this 4 people. So, 22 into 4 is 88. This 88 should distributed to this 11 people. So, 88 by 11, which is equal to 11 goes 8 times in 88. So, 20 plus 8, 28 is the average age of 11 people. So, average age of 11 people is 28. Now, 2 persons left the family and 3 people joined the family. So, overall increment in the members of the family is 3 minus 2, 1. That is 1 member joined the family. So, 11 plus 1, 12 become the members of the new family. Now, we have to find the average age of these 12 members. Here, to find this, we have to find the overall increment in the ages of the family. Here, when 2 persons left the family, that means 13 into 2, 26 years should reduce from the total age. So, minus 26 plus 3 people join the family. That is 11 plus 15 plus 28 years join the family. So overall increment become minus 26 plus 11 plus 15 plus 28, which is equal to 28 itself. That is, overall increment in the ages of the family is 28. When new one member join, 28 is the overall increment in the age. That is, the new person's age is 28 years. Then, you can see 12 people average become 28 because for 11 people, 28 was the average age. When one person with 28 years joins this family, the new average become 28 itself. That is, there is no increment in the average, 0 increment. So option D is your answer. Because the one person who joins also has 28 years of age. So there is no increment. This question can also do in normal way. That is, total age of 11 people. Initially there are 11 people in family. So 4 into 42 plus 7 into 20 is the total age of 11 people. Now 4 into 42 is 168, 7 into 20 140. So total age of the 11 people is 308. Now total age of 12 people, because 2 person left the family and 3 person joined the family. Now overall increment in the numbers is 1. So 11 plus 1, 12. So that will become 308. Total age of 11 people plus overall increment in the ages. That is, when 2 person left, minus 26 should reduce from the total age. So minus 26. Then when 3 people join the family, we should add 11 plus 15 plus 28 years to overall increment in the age. That is 11 plus 15 plus 28. Now total age of 12 people become 308 plus 28, which is equal to 336. That is, average age of 12 people is total age of 12 people 336 divided by total number of people 12, which is equal to 28. That means for 11 people 28 is the average, for 12 people 28 is the average. That is, there is 0 increment in the average of the people. So option D is your right answer. There are 6 consecutive odd numbers in increasing order. The difference between the average of the squares of first 4 numbers and the last 4 numbers is 64. If the sum of squares of first and the last element is 178, then the average of all the 6 numbers is. Here let us consider the 6 odd numbers as. I will consider one number as a plus 1. Then the next number can be a plus 3 and a plus 5. Now I will write this in reverse order. That is, a plus 1. Next left side number will be a minus 1. And next left side number a minus 3. And next left side number a minus 5. Now you can see a minus 5, a minus 3, a minus 1, a plus 1, a plus 3, a plus 5 are 6 consecutive odd numbers. Now if you take the average of these 6 numbers, average of 6 odd numbers, you can see if you take the sum of this a minus 5 to a plus 5, minus 5 plus 5 cancel, minus 3 plus 3 cancel, minus 1 plus 1 cancel. So total 6 a's are there. So 6a divided by total number of numbers is 6. Now 6a by 6 is a. So average of this 6 numbers is a. And this question says, if the sum of the squares of first and last element is 178. Sum of squares of first and last element. First element is a minus 5 and last element is a plus 5. So if I take the sum of the squares of a minus 5 and a plus 5, it is 178. So a minus 5 the whole square plus a plus 5 the whole square is equal to 178. Now you can see here 2 into minus 5 into a, that is minus 10a. Here 2 into 5 into a plus 10a. So minus 10a and plus 10a cancel. Remaining is a square plus a square, that is 2a square, plus here 5 square plus 5 square, 25 plus 25, that is 50. So 2a square plus 50 is equal to 178. Means 2a square is equal to 178 minus 50, 128. 2 goes 64 times in 128. So a square is 64 means a is equal to 8. So option B is your answer.